Ở đây người ta rất là thích mua thanh trà, mỗi lần đem ra thì tới buồn người ta giận lắm. Lý do cây thanh trà không có xịt thuốc, không có sử dụng phân thuốc gì hết, không có tác động gì hết, nó chỉ có bông có trái, nó theo thời tiết nó có, rồi sau đó thì nó chín rồi mình lên mình hái trái, coi như là mình khỏi tăng sốc.
Order from her and they sell it online, so it's like for 1 kg she sells for like 30 to 40,000, which is around $2, is it? $1.50. So the one who sells online will be around 70 to 80,000, which is double.
Okay.
She said because originally it's organic and a lot of people they know. And if you use chemical, yeah, it can be faster, but in the long term the trees is going to be dead.
Okay.
This one is very particular, so that's why she keep it natural.
Okay.
Hai ba người trong phạm vi. So he started when he was 15 years old.
Thích điều trị những bệnh khó là hát đó là.
Okay. He's trying to find like the difficult case. He tried to solve the difficult cases of the disease and the use. He says, according to the philosophy, anything which is quite sour and a little bit dry, so it's twist things together. So it's like you have something like dairy, so it can help. According to the old philosophy. And for the Cambodia is when we use the word thanh nhiệt, which means cool down. So there are two types of cooling down. The one for the air and the one for the blood.
Okay.
And Cambodia is for the blood.
For the blood. Okay.
Yeah, so it's like detoxify for the blood.
Đáng lòng ăn thằng.
This one, if you cannot sleep, then you take this one. Yes. Ăn lòng ăn là uống được á.